Welcome to my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. Today I am doing a gas tank filler neck on a 2014 Ford Escape. So this is the factory filler neck. See, I got a little issues with it. This is a dust cap they sell aftermarket to keep them, so you don't have this valve going bad. The capless gas tank system, so you don't get junk in there. This is what they look like, the doorman. So I'm going to show you what we do and how to get it out. Here is my replacement part. It is tire filler neck. I got it from a junkyard. They're expensive as can be, brand new. Junkyard, it was $25. So for $25, I'll take my shots. Chances of this one in the junkyard being bad, I highly doubt it. But I also got the other tube that goes up here too, up to the canister. I got that off to the side, but I took it off to paint. I got that painted up. First things are you're going to have to get this out, you're going to have to take out the fender well, the wheel well. So first things first is you have, what I'm doing right now. But here we go. So I have a little teeny one of these plastic clips, push pins in, look like that. I got one up there and one down here. You'll use a tool that looks like this. Essentially, it'll be like that on the car. You'll get underneath it to pry it out. Then you're going to have these. There's 1, 2, 3. They essentially, I used to take needle nose pliers. They just go around them, spin them around until they come off. And then you're going to have, I think these are 7 millimeters. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And then the wheel well will essentially pull out. And I'll show you the next part. Next parts are pretty simple. It is essentially a bolt. Now, you'll see a lot of oil because I did fluid film on this car. But I got a bolt down here, which will release the filler neck, and then there's one up top. I said earlier, 10 here, 10 on the bottom. Then this hose here just connects up to your filler neck. It's a drain valve. Release that. And then you're going to have one of these jacked up lines. Essentially, so it has a green clip on the top. You push it up, this little green clip that clips here. And then this, just press down and it'll pull, and you pull back, and I'll pull that off. Now, four-wheel drives suck. There's a purge valve line that you see, you kind of can see up there. You slip that one line off, and then the filler neck will come out. And then there is a, let me pause it and I'll show you. So you also got this spot. Wait, the hose clamp on ours is screwed up. But that's where there's a hose clamp that goes here. You screw it loose, and then the filler neck just pulls right out. And then you'll see here's the spot on the purge valve. It's way up in there. You can barely see it. With your hand, you pull it off the edge of the canister purge valve, and that's how you get the line out. And then it's just basically that reverse order. It's very tight with the four-wheel drive. The two-wheel drive, relatively simple. But this thing, nightmare. So for people that are going to be confused, this is just a seal. It goes around the filler neck. So it just pushes in and out. It doesn't actually mount to anything. The only mounting spots are, like I said, that bolt, and then there's a bolt under here that mounts it. Again, these lines on the four-wheel drive, oh God, it's a nightmare. But once you do it, you could see, I don't know if you can see the filler neck spot. I'll crawl underneath, but I'll show you where the hose is one more time because it's very hard to see. Give me a minute. So, you see, I don't know if you could see it, but see that little hose up there near the Kirk canister? That's the vent tube that comes off your little, you can't see it from this side, but that's there. Up here is where you take the hose clamp loose. And what I did is I just had held it here on the hose. I had someone else on that end shake it and just to free it loose. If you're having a pressure sensor issue, see that little line right there with the wire that comes off it? That's the pressure sensor for the Ford Escape. And it connects to the tank where you have to literally drop the tank to get it out. And there is the canister. Oh, when I was in the junkyard, this is what the pressure sensor unit looks like. Here's the pressure sensor. It's all one big piece. So I think this side goes to the tank, this up goes to your charcoal canister, and that's that tube that I was having a hard time showing you, where you push the clip and goes up to your filler neck line. There's probably a way to chop this off and maybe reconnect it. I don't know. Someone in the comment could tell me. It'd be very nice, because I would love to change this pressure sensor unit, because I think this is an issue I'm having too. But we're doing the cheap and easier route, which is just changing the filler neck. I did not smoke test it. I'm just going, I'm pretty sure it's this is the issue, but we'll try it. There's the old filler neck out of the car. Again, this is what it looks like out. And then this is that line I was showing you. That's where it connects. That connects to this pressure sensor unit right there. Bam. Slips in. You just press down and pull. And you remove the top clip, like you see I have it pushed up. I got to push it in the rest of the way to save the part. That's how you do it. That's how you change your filler neck on these Ford Escapes. You know, this is the old filler neck of the car. See, the lettering is kind of faded, so maybe it is a bad filler neck. We'll see. It's, pick and pull $25, so it's cheapest route to go versus pulling that charcoal canister, which is pulling the whole rear axle. If you like my videos, consider subscribing. Thank you.